easy. So every people can afford that one also. So that earlier your system is not that earlier it was not there. It was there, but now it is much more portable, much more cheap. So that the common people can use. So that is also one thing. Improving the existing system. At the same time, applying the technology much more smarter, much more portable. Think about that our mobile phone also. Earlier only digital mobile, keypad mobiles are there. Now mobile is becoming smaller size, much more smaller. With the mobile, you can do everything nowadays. Time, date, song, video, audio, your education, your profession. Most of the time you can spend with the mobile. So these are all the technology. Now solving a local problem with scientific thinking. Because that still now agriculture problem, health problem, pollution problem, societal. So all the problem that the local problem you can solve that scientific thinking. And for the CSE professional, you know that for the CSE professional, you can develop one AI model also. AI model, that is the one you can optimizing algorithm. People study about different algorithms, optimizing algorithm and creating a smart application. So innovation begins with identifying a real problem. Now, what is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship, you know that is the one. Innovation is the one part. Now come to the entrepreneurship. This common term is everywhere. Your every friend is saying that entrepreneurship. What it means? Entrepreneurship first. Entrepreneurship converting innovation into impact. Means if I with innovation and your entrepreneurship.